before when my basement flooded. A lot of people had floods. And my broker was like, you got to send over the report right away of the damages and all that, because a lot of people are going to be filing claims. And I took pictures of everything and I started to like Google like one at a time, like how much is the graphics card that got wet here? Like how much is, and then I'm like, wait a second. I took all the pictures and I was like, look up the prices for all of these items and what they were sold for recently in Canada and give me links to each of them, please. And it's like, sure. And then I'm like, okay, put that like in a spreadsheet for me. It's like, okay. I like send it to my broker like 20 minutes later. He's like, what the fuck? And it would have been like 2.5 hours of work, but it was like smart work.